and after doing some changes, this is the website I published. Let's fetch the video from here, and this should work, and it is working. And this is the previous video using the theme and the video text tag. So hello guys, today we are going to build a Terabox downloader, and I'll show you that how we will scrap APIs, and we will also build a live video player like this, and we will integrate video.js or any other media element, so player or player IO, just like video players in our video player. And we will also give a download option so that others can download our Terabox video. And this is a demanded thing. I researched many of online website that gives a downloading feature. Let's see example this website. Just copy paste the Terabox link here, and it will give you the a name, download link, and a fast download link. This is slower version, and it downloads very slow. Let's try the faster one, and it's not working now. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works. And this website provides different type of downloading, and this video might be long, and this gives 3 types of links. First is the mirror link, that is slow download, and that will work for sure, but it is very slow. Let's close this. And this is fast download option. This is still not working here, and this is also not working, but in many cases it works. But I think this video has some fault that this is not working here, and we can try out with other videos also, but let's go with this video. And I just have to show you that how things works and how we are going to build a live video player. Optionally, we can also fetch the size and name of the video, etc details, uploaded ad details. But let's see what we will do in the in this project. And I have not prepared anything, so I don't. And this is a website I found embedded in many website, and on click, and if we will click on network tab and click on download, it fetches the API request, and this returns a URL for downloading. And on play also it fetches the same API. And let's create a new repo here. And see, it's downloading now. Let's cancel on. And the video is here. Terabox player, and let's create the repository. You will find all the codes here, so that you can also deploy it on your website. And we are going to build it a single page application. We can also separate the style script separately and create a multiple HTMLs, but I will make this like so you can also deploy it on your blogger or something websites. And this is not loaded here, and for this we are going to use another video that will work, because some of the videos, for example my video, doesn't works at many places and many downloaders I have seen. So give me some time for that, and let's copy this. This is my application. Let's close this. Open source. Okay, we have to go to YouTube. This is for YouTube, and create a new folder. Terabox player, create and open it. And our repository is cloned now, and we are good to go. You can also increase the speed if you don't want, if you find it's very slow. And we are also going to build a Google Drive downloader later, and you will see this and how you will scrap these things. And let's wait and get a new video link, and the video will be played for any file size 500 MB, 1 GB. New link, that is this link, and this link is working for all downloaders, and this is quite suitable for testing our video. All these download links are working, and now we are good to code here. And you can see this is getting the infos and this stat, and download links has been generated, and this download links is played in the video tag here, and this is using video.js for the video player, and this is the video that we are going to scrap from Terabox website. And let's close all the things here, and this is the video player. You can also customize the theme. I like the forest theme and the city theme also. City, it was sea, I think. No, fantasy, that is good. Fantasy is good, and we are going to use the forest theme. Okay, so we will add this player here. Let's close all the distractions now, and let's come on coding. And this is the website that we are going to scrap and use the API. We are not directly scrapping Terabox website because it requires cookies.txt, and we have to maintain cookies.txt every time. If you know about cookies, you just have to see this header files here. There will be cookies here, see the cookies, but this website will maintain the cookie for their downloader, and we are going to use their API for scrapping the Terabox website. And this is just for educational purpose, so it's not made for harming any website. Let's start coding, and we are not focusing on the copy this. I was building a daily to-do list application, so that's why this is there. Let's close this, and now we are good to go. And for now we need an API. Step 1, scrap API for download details. So this website, let's click on get video, and it does an API call, contains a payload of the URL, and it contains a resolution. uh, it gives a JSON with all the download links, and if you'll see, this is a post request. And one more thing we have to keep in mind, that we have to think of course. Guys, for this we have used a Terabox player heading and an input tag where people will input the Terabox URL. Then the button click, it will call a function that is fetch video data, and the video details will be shown here. Initially the display will be none, and video title, video thumbnail, video, and fast download link and HD download link that we will get from here. Response 0 and resolutions, these two, and thumbnail is here and title is here. And here is the script that I had created, and this basically does that. It gets the value URL input, and this is video details and other references for the elements, and this does fetch URL is this, and let's create a fetch request, a post request to this API, and with a URL of the URL input value, and data response will be get using await response.json. will convert the return data into JSON, and video data will be the response and the 0 value, the response and the first index, that is 0. And then we have resolutions dot fast download resolutions, and then fast download and HD video. So these are the things, and we are going to display set the video details display as block. This is a simple JavaScript code, and for saving time I already written this. And you can also get this fetch URL by doing a right click and copy as fetch, and your fetch details will be, fetch request has been copied like this, and you can replace this as I replaced. So these are the things, and I don't think these things are required, you can remove it also. But the main thing comes here is the course part, because if we will copy and paste the link here and click on fetch video, let me show you on the inspection panel. This says access to this has been blocked using course policy. Let me show in the network tab, and if you will do fetch request, the course has been blocked. So for that you have to fetch this API from a server. You can either use an Express server or an Next.js server, means you have to use Node.js for that, or any PHP script you can run. But I already have made an API request that I use in my Terabox downloader bot, a Telegram bot, and that is this. Let me show you YT and I will explain you the code. And this is pretty easy code. The same thing, the same logic that we have applied here will be applied, and this fetches the same API with the ID, the same ID, and just returns the JSON. And let me show you that how it looks like. Just like, let me npm run dev, and this is also a Terabox downloader, but it built on Next.js. So this is the API we got in return. and this is a Next.js app. On server side the course is not blocked, so in behind the scene it's fetching this API only, this API, and just returning the request, just fetch and return. And this is very small script. You can also write it using express server, express. Yes, but let's close this, and we are not going to use this API directly. We are going to use this API. But if you will copy it here, and we have closed this, and you have to deploy this API on any Vercel or Netlify file like server, and for that you can search tutorials for how to deploy any express server or any Next.js website on internet. So for that I am going with search for, I already have deployed with a domain, that is terabox.tech. And this is our API we are going to fetch. Oh. And it's also returning a course error, but I will show you to bypass the course error of get request using Holy API that I had created in maybe 2020s, and this is the URL, and you just have to search for Holy API and you will get this Gitbook link, and after this you have to go to get websites HTML, and this is the Vercel deployed version using Next.js, but this is suspended because of too much traffic. And this is not my created website, is Skinny Runner. I was using Heroku for hosting, but someone has used my script and deployed this on their website, so I am using their website. This is not, the script is mine, but they have deployed my script, so I am using this, and this was my script for that time I had created. See the HTML and styling, and I also scrapped png aa and mediafire.com at that time to Instagram downloader I had created, and you can see more here. So let's not waste time here and just go to this, what, get HTML, then you have to put your URL here. For example, if you will put example.com, it will return the example.com URL. You can easily create it using any language, or I created it on PHP, c.php extension here, and we will fetch this thing. Just copy this, and the fetch URL is going to be this. Let response, and we will assign response to response is equal to response.json, and let id is equal to this. It will split the URL input into slash, means if we have the video URL like this. Let me show you on console. If you know JavaScript, then it's nothing for you. Let's create a variable let I is equal to something and put it here, I dot split, and we will use slash, and this will create an array divided using the slash. All the slash has been split into array, and we have to get the last index. So either we can use I dot split dot pop, and that will return us the last index, or we can also use the dot at and then -1. This will return the -1 index. So this is the thing we are going to use, and this will work, and I think all set, and this will not provide any chorus error. Let's paste the link here and fetch video. Let's see what's the problem now. Response.json is not a function. Okay, type error. Response.json is not a function, so we have to convert it using text, because this website doesn't returns it as a JSON, it returns it as a text, because we are going to scrap the website. So it may be an HTML file, maybe a JSON file, so I was returning using a text there. Now fetch it. Okay, all is working now. Let's see, now it's working, and you can see we got the poster here, and we can open this image here, and we got the video player here, and fast download link, and HD download video link. That is not working for now. Okay, so I found it why it's not working. So if you will click here, then it will work, but if you will click here, you are going to learn a new thing, that is about the anchor tag, and this is not working. But if you will press enter here and enter here, this is going to work. The fast download, sometimes it not works, but you find the reason why it's not working. For that, we have to go to index.html and our anchor tags, and here we have to add a new property here, that will be rel is equal to no opener, no referrer, and no opener. And I'm going to show you why we are using this. Let's fetch video here and click on fast download HD. I think I have done a spelling mistake here. We have been used so much APIs here. No refer. Now it's working. There was a spelling mistake. We don't have to add a dash here, and it's working now, because if we are opening this URL in backend, they have said if the request come from any our our header on informations are also shared with the link. If we will click from here, that from where this the user came from, just like we see on our website analytics on bloggers. Let's say example that if you see our stats, we will see that from where our traffic is coming from. Just like these are the websites uh, from where the traffic came from after clicking on my blog link, and this is traced using the backend. And this website also traces that if uh, the direct link traces that if it comes from any unknown website, then it blocks the download. For this we are going to use the no referrer and no opener thing, and you learned a new thing about the anchor tag. And if you find any error in future, you can easily fix it out. Now we have to work on the video player, and because the video is not playing, and the download links are working for now. For that we are going to use an API, and for that we are going to scrap this website also. And for scrapping this website, you need a backend server, as I said, for scrapping anything, because otherwise your access will be blocked. If I'll click on get link, it creates a info, and you can easily get open in new tab. You can easily get this using get request easily, or the holy API what I have created. Get these things, and in the next parameter, that is the play, you just have to pass these things, the response of this API, and as a payload here, and this will return download link. And this is the link we have to get for playing the video as a normal video. And this works for any file size, any video file size, so don't think about this. And I'm not going to show you another thing. For scrapping this, you just have to copy as curl, copy as fetch, node.js, whatever you want, just copy it. And for now I already created an API using PHP, and I will give the code link in description. You can get the PHP code from there. For this I have to open my hostinger panel, and you have to pass the ID here, that will be this, and this will get scrap this website and get the direct link and redirect to the direct link. Let's copy the URL, and this redirected, and this is our direct video. And we can directly use in video tag, because in video tag, if you'll see, these are direct links that we got, but we are getting the direct link, but this cannot be used as the video source, because they have blocked it, and the stream is not allowed. If you will brute force these links, then it will run like let me show you. PHP bot, if you will brute force the API, then it will be played like this. You can't go back and front, it just will play the starting part. If you will try to go back, it will start from the very beginning. So this is the thing. If you will do brute force playing for that video, but this video URL is optimized, that we are getting from this website API. And Also you can get the source code of this website on GitHub. I will add that link also. And this is the sample video link, and this is the video tag. If you don't know about video tag, then watching this video may be waste for you. Just run this is the video tag. Still I will say something about video tag. You can search on W3 schools of HTML video tag, and you just have to put the source of your video in src, and you can play this. You can also put these links. You just need a direct download link or a video link, but this will be not paid. So for that we got our API, that is this, and video player.src. we are going to set this link. Then we have to replace this thing with our ID, and all set now. And let's decrease the size of thumbnail, width 500 pixels. Now it's time to fetch the video. If you will fetch the video, and this is the thumbnail. Let's set the poster, video player dot poster is equal to video dot thumbnail. Switch the video, and we can see the poster here. The video is loading. If you will open the video in new tab, it will download this video. See, the video is being downloaded, and you can play this video, go back and forth in the video. Let me check my internet connection. And the video is playing good. And also we have the download options here. We can also download the video like this, and go back and forth like this. There seems to be internet problem, but this will work. You can test on the demo link given in the description. And now for now our all to-dos has been completed. We have to add a video player, but for the video JS we have to use this type of formatting for setting the src of the video tag and the poster like this. And the CSS is little bit modified till the process. And this is the website. You can click on get started and just copy these CDNs, and I will add a skin here, and see, our video has been fetched, download links has been fetched, the thumbnail has been fetched, and the video is also playing. Let's add a custom theme here. Paste this, and where's the video tag? There's the video tag. Theme city. this is the city theme. We have to add forest. So for that, let's change it to forest, and let's see now. And I will upload all the things. All the code will be here. Let me post it from here. Terabox player. And firstly, let's see it's working or not. City theme has not been applied here. Video chess custom video chess custom YouTube made, and the skinning here. You can see this article about how to skin. Okay, theme city, theme fantasy, theme forest. forest forest. See, the theme has been applied now, and let's remove the previous CDN. I don't know why it's not working, and this was the article I had created in 2021. You can also check out this article, this link. You can take a screenshot, and let's close this or search for my website and you will get it there. So let's push the codes here. Terabox player, commit, sync changes, and you will get all the codes here. Let me just use. I am also publishing it using GitHub pages, and it's working now. Terabox downloader. And after doing some changes, this is the website I published. Let's fetch the video from here, and this should work, and it is working. And this is the previous video using the theme, and the video takes time to load once, and after loading it plays well, just like normal YouTube video. If the size is doesn't matter to whatever the size of the video is, and I think it's causing some error with the video player. It's not our fault. We will add the media elements. We may add the media elements, JS player or soap player. I already shown you in my video. Here is my video. I shown that how to integrate media elements on your website, and I already shown you. You just have to go to playlist and check for custom HTML file, not the audio player but the video player playlist. This playlist, and you are going to get. I have not added the media elements here. I will add it later in the playlist, and from this playlist you can integrate any video player. If the video player causes errors, you can use that video player. Let me show you some of them. The video becomes so longer. I wanted to keep it shorter, but we can't do anything. And this article is created by me. You can check out this article, and this is the video of ours. You can see the demo of media elements. See, this is a nice video player. We will integrate this in our website, that is this. So for now we have to end this video, and you can also add this link as a download button here, so that people can download this video. And I will also add the script of this PHP file in the description as a guest or anything, so this can also download the file. And for now my internet is pretty slow, but this link downloads very fast as a normal video file, not as this HD video or fast video. This links download very slow. So let's close this, and thanks for watching this video. And if this is helpful, be connected with us, and you can check out the codes here. All the codes will be here, and I created it as a purely front-end project, and I didn't committed any backend things, but you will need a backend for using fetch request and API request to this. Either you are scrapping the main Terabox website or any third-party website, you have to use a backend. And this video was for educational purpose. If you have any problem, you can just comment. And I think all set. This player also. Internet is slow. Thanks for watching. And also use soap player. So player also looks good. Thanks for watching the video.